Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock Facebook profile if Facebook lock profile option not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook application first. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Facebook application. Click on three bars on click on your profile picture. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you can see there is an option. You simply need to close that and click on help and support and click on report a problem. Click on report a problem. So it will take few seconds to open a screen. Click on include in report. So here you can select the profile option or any red. Let me select okay this option, and here you need to mention that my log profile option is not showing. So kindly help me getting this too, and send to the Facebook team. Then they will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to resolve your issue. So let me show you that recently I done this, and now you can see that my log profile option is here. So let me show you. Here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.